have here is a mechanical ventilator. As you can see, we have the elbow bag here, and the pressure is about 2 liter. Alright, so this device can be used as an emergency ventilator, especially in occasion when there's a shortage of ventilators in the region. It serves the purpose to resuscitate the patient. We can adjust certain parts here to deliver the desired air and oxygen, and also the rate, speed, and the pressure depending on the lung capacity and specific requirement of the patient. Most of the parts here were 3D designed in Google Sketch during the lockdown, and we printed this in Creative Printers Dimapur. Anyways, this is Mark 1. We are here at the Eden Hospital Dimapur for trial. We're gonna try the low speed mode and see how it goes. Also get some feedback from the anesthesiologist. And it looks like it's working just fine. We got a green signal.